So I'm Tom Knowles. I'm Broadcast Systems Engineer at Solid State Logic, and here at IBC 2013 we're introducing our LMS-16 product, which is a collaboration between SSL and Nugen Audio with their loudness metering. Okay. So, and then multi-monitor. So, as SSL produce consoles, we see a lot of our clients talking about loudness metering and installing this around the studio and with the console sort of earlier in the signal path, or multiple signals being monitored simultaneously. So a significant proportion of that is multiple channels. And so what we decided is being able to monitor multiple channels all at the same time would be very useful. So on this display you see we're going to monitor our program both in 5.1 stereo and in mono, and we also have our program 2. Now this is useful because we could be having one program to our local feed and one program to our international feed, which need a completely different format. So we integrate it with the console via MADI, so it's a standard MADI connection from the console, and it will do 16 meters, so capable of 5.1 per meter, so that's 96 channels of metering, true peak and loudness, fully R128 compliant. Now another integration with the console is to be able to reset it. So at the end of the show, we want to reset the integrated setting, and that's involved via a GPI with the console, which I can reset directly from the console. Okay. So in terms of integration, that will allow us to monitor loudness of multiple signals in the control room, or it would fit equally as well in master control, where a master controller could listen to feeds from multiple consoles in different parts of the facility. And that's how SSL see this integrating with our existing clients and future clients' consoles. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Paul Tapper from Nugen Audio, and I'm going to talk about the software which is included in the LMS-16 unit. The software is measuring loudness on 16 different streams of audio, as Tom said, so that's up to 96 channels of audio. And it's using the same underlying algorithm as the Nugen Audio VisLM loudness metering product. You can bring up a settings panel and choose a variety of different presets. In Japan, you'll be using EBU R128, and you can configure all sorts of things depending on what your needs might be. So you could change the color or the levels that the color splits happen. So if you want to specify that your mixers stay out of the red zone, you can tell them to avoid getting the short-term loudness up into that level. You can select the color coding for the different channels which are displayed. So you can see that Tom's already set it up with red channels for program 1, green channels for program 2, and so on. So it's very flexible and can be configured to be used however you want to use it. You can also set it up to have some alerts, so that if there's events you want the mixer to be notified about, you can see that this has triggered off an event, so it's gone orange. And that's it. It's very easy to use, very configurable, and saves time.